You know how you're just strolling out to your car, ready for your day, and boom, your Volvo S80 remote fails. Annoying, right? Today, we're tackling this head on. How to swap out the key battery with ease. Grab your remote and let's dive in. Okay, so first things first, you'll need the right tools. Just you, a flathead screwdriver, and a fresh CR2032 battery. Don't worry, these batteries are available pretty much everywhere. Ammo yourself with a bit of patience. In your set, you have your remote in hand. Cool. Let's start by figuring out the not so obvious. Look at the key fob's plastic seam. This is where we'll start prying. Make sure you're working on a stable surface to avoid mishaps. Using your screwdriver gently, split the fob open along that seam we found. Keep it light. Heavy hands could mean breaking plastic, which won't help anyone. This is where practice makes perfect after all. Now, once it's open, take a look inside. It's like opening a tiny treasure chest. You'll see the old CR2032 battery snuggled in there. Classic pain point. You know, these little guys sneakily run out of juice when least expected. Carefully slide the old battery out. If it feels stuck, just nudge it gently with your screwdriver. Pro tip, notice the battery's orientation, positive side up. This detail saves a ton of headaches later on. Time for the fresh battery. Remove it from its packaging without bending or touching it excessively. Greasy fingers can't be friends with something this delicate. Trust me, taking your time now saves frustration later. Align your new CR2032 battery exactly as the old one sat. Positive side up, remember, push it into position, it should fit snugly. You're almost at the finish line with a new power source ready to breathe life into your remote. Okay, closing the deal, literally. Snap the key fob casing back together with care. Make sure every edge aligns and clicks into place. A seamless fit means your fob will continue living a cozy life in your pocket or purse. And just like that, you dodge the dealership's hefty service fees. Performing this quick battery swap feels like finding a $20 bill in your jacket pocket. As many would say, it's the little victories that count. Now, this part is essential. Test your remote on your car. Don't skip this, seriously. And ensure it locks, unlocks, and maybe even start your car remotely if you have that feature. Verification is peace of mind. Voila, you've mastered the art of battery replacement for your Volvo S80 key fob. And with this skill in your toolkit, unpredictable dead batteries will no longer interrupt your plans. Cheers to fewer key fob woes.